In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Semrush history. We'll walk through this in a calm, clear way so you can confidently remove old projects and clean up stored data in your account. This is helpful if you've finished a client project, want to declutter your workspace, or simply don't want certain historical data to stick around. First, make sure you're logged into your Semrush account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for a card labeled Folders. Under this section, you'll see a list of your existing projects. These are usually your SEO projects or campaigns you've created. Find the specific SEO project you want to delete. On the top right corner of that project card, you'll see a More Options icon, often represented by 3 dots. Go ahead and click that icon. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, choose Delete. Semrush will now show a confirmation pop-up. This is an important step because it explains exactly what will be deleted along with that project. Take a moment to carefully review this list so you understand which tools, settings, and data are going to be removed. Once you're sure this is the project you want to completely delete, look for the confirmation text that says something like, "To confirm, enter this code," followed by a unique code. Type that code into the field provided, then click the delete button. The project and its associated data will be removed from your dashboard. Next, let's talk about deleting saved data from specific tools and reports. Some Semrush tools store their own history, independent of the project itself. This can include things like position tracking campaigns, site audit projects, or backlink audit lists. In this example, we'll look at the Market Overview tool, but the general idea is similar for other tools. On the left-hand side of your Semrush interface, move your cursor over the traffic and market icon. When the menu expands, find the Market section and click on Market Overview. If you've run a Market Overview in the past, you'll see that your previous data is still displayed here. To delete the stored data, look for the domain you previously analyzed. On the right side of that domain entry, click the Edit button. A panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. Scroll down if needed, and at the bottom right of this panel, click the Delete button. Confirm the deletion if you're prompted, and that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed both project level history and specific tool data from your Semrush account.